We're live in the build-up to what is the special votes getting underway 9 o'clock this morning. The voting stations will open for that. They will close at 5 p.m. today and tomorrow. That is only for special voting. You need to have registered for that. It is not a chance for you to try and jump the queue, by the way. If you haven't registered for special voting, this is not for you. Your normal vote will, of course, take place on Wednesday. The National Ballot Board is up and running along with the provincial. There's all the parties, but it's 000 all the way down. As you'd expect, that'll only start changing after the polls close at 9 p.m. on Wednesday, the 29th of May. Then you're going to see numbers flooding in thick and fast from around the country and all of the provinces, whether it's the political parties or the independents. So for now, the teams here at the IEC still getting ready. But let's talk about security ahead of the elections. And police say they're investigating 27 cases of election violence or vandalism reported just last week. Now, 17 of those cases taking place in Limpopo. Sam, I'm afraid they include the shooting of a 9-year-old during a door-to-door campaign. Also, there were 6 cases of vandalism as well as removal of posters. Now, this was all highlighted during the Nat Joints briefing on the security cluster. 632 areas have been identified as hotspots. On that story for us, ENCA reporter Bafadile Morane.
The South African security cluster is on high alert. The cluster comprises of at least 39 state agencies, including SAPS, South African National Defence Force and the State Security Agency. 632 areas have been highlighted as hotspot areas, and at least 200 of those areas are in KwaZulu-Natal. Police say they have also restructured the security strategy in KZN by adding more security.